Alright guys, I'm unboxing the JORDAAN Suade LS Super Softy Nero 8 Plus. This how it comes from Gucci with the ribbon like that. Super nice. Let's open this up. Let's check this out. These were a G. Nice little ribbon there. Open it up. Comes with a bag. Nice Gucci bag. Little Gucci logo right there. Alright. Comes with this little pamphlet here. Another little pamphlet here. Wow. Oh, you can't just look past this. More ribbon, green, to wrap up some shit. Oh, sorry. To wrap up gifts. This is very nice Gucci letter. Let's see what it says. Let's open it up here. It says Gucci again. I don't know if you can see it. Gucci. That's it. That's all that's in there, bro. Man. Here's another one. I've seen this one before. It came with my Gucci glasses. There you go. Yeah. Good stuff there. Just putting it back, guys. This is it. Moment of proof. Very nice too. They come in their own bags here. It's a little Gucci. They're so nice. Everything is wrapped up nicely and it looks good. It comes in a second little pouch. And here they are. Stuntin', bro. These are vicious. With the black suede, with the, damn, man. This thing keeping it fresh here. With the Gucci. Made in Italy. 8.5. If you want to buy Gucci, you always got to do a size down. I'm a 9 US. That's an 8.5 right there. Let's see the other one here. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I'll post all my Gucci purchases on my channel. I'm a fanatic. I love the fashion sense of this. Look at these. Oh my goodness, worth every penny. These are brand new. Look at these. Brand new Gucci loafers. That's it, boys. Man, so much quality. And this is it. Nothing else in here, just some soft paper, a little Gucci bag. And that's it, guys. You know, thanks for watching my video. I'll be posting all my Gucci purchases on here from now on. You know, this is just a treat for myself. You know, a little early birthday present gift for myself. And sometimes you gotta treat yourself, you know, like you gotta, you know, you only got one life. And, you know, you gotta just make sure that you live it to the fullest. You know, and nothing is promised. And, you know, just stay blessed out there. Peace.